Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And let me just tell you, I realize February is a short month, but let me just tell you, I am being honest. I think this month went faster than any month in my life, right? I mean, where did the days go? Now, my concern is you might have missed one or two items that we released this month. So I thought it would be a good idea to create this video for you to see some of the items that you might have missed so you can go grab them now, right? First, and you know what? I'll be honest, you can't even get this one anymore, but I'm just showing it to you, was our Fold It Club. Our Fold It Club is exclusive to the Fold It Club. The items, the designs. This was our shutter die. So cute. It opens up so it could be a window or a door. And then you have your regular card like this. So fun. Now, if you missed out on this one, you need to join the Fold It Club right this second to get the brand new one that's already out, because you cannot buy these on our website. And I don't want you to miss out again, okay? Here we go. Then we released our fun picnic time critters. Let me just tell you, they have been popular. Oh my goodness, so crazy. I love them too, just as much as you do. That was our club set, the little monkey and the turtle. You also got, my club members only, got the free extra picnic blanket die set in there. 2 extra dies. They are massive, and they got them free in their club shipments. Because why? Because I love them. Yes, you can buy them, but you know, if you were a club member, you would have gotten them free. So join now. Here we go. Here's another one. Look at those cute. There's that picnic blanket again. Here's the add-on set with the cute little bunny, and we had a cute little piggy. So adorable. Here's the cute little piggy. And we released this fun die set. Every day with you is a picnic. Isn't that fun? Now here we go. Ooh, we also released the Fold It Fruit, which I absolutely love because yum. And here it is on a 5x7 card base. So fun. Here we go. Here's those 2 little critters again from the add-on set. This is also using our bouncy A2 card base, which is so fun. Then check this out. Oh my goodness, you guys. I tear up every time I see this sample because it's so stunning. I love it. Who did this one? Yvette did this one. So here we go. We have a lot here. First, we have our brand new Bunny and Carrot Fold It on the banner die. Then we also have our Stand and Say Friends Forever. I absolutely love this. She also used the Elegant Edge card base for the bow, the Jingle Bells to stamp for the other bow. The Vine is from the Wishing Well to stamp die. Words Stand Up Drop in base for the Vine die. She went nuts. Isn't this just stunning though? It's like a work of art. I literally told Kenny this is a work of art. I did. Now, here we go. Oh, if you are in our kit club, you got this die set, an A1 picnic basket. So stinking adorable, right? I love that one. Here we go. Ooh, he is risen. Oh my goodness. Here it is as a stand-up. Absolutely stunning. Am I right? I just love this one so much. Then we also released Faith. Oh, as a fold, it's so cute. Here we go. We also released our cute chubby chick. Chubby chick. Love it, right? Chubby chick. So fun. Then here we go. We also released the dies that I put on HSN a long time ago. Here's one of them. Be Fearless. I'm sorry. This one's Dream Big. You Matter. Let's find the other ones. Here we go. You Got This. These are all in the same kit. Think Happy Thoughts. And then finally, the Be Fearless. Those are on the website now. Oh, here we go. This is another one that I am in love with. Happy Easter. I designed these as drop-in dies. Look at that, you guys. Oh, it stays in the card, but here with the background. Isn't that just beautiful? I absolutely love that. Here it is just as the front of the card, decorated the other way. So different, but so stunning, both of them, right? I love them. Madly, deeply in love with those. Then we have that, again, here's that stand up, that the Stand and Say Friends Forever. This is on the A2 fold over card, so you can open this up and have your card on the inside. I love it, I love it, I love it. Now, we also released our berry cardstock, which, whoa, here it is. Here's our berry. Let me just say, absolutely, positively love this color. Probably one of my top 3 or 4, because, you know, all my top 3 or 4s are all pinks, but this is a very gorgeous mauve-y, pinky berry color. I love it. We also added felt. We also added the ink pads for this. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Don't miss out again. Make sure you're subscribed to our newsletter. Make sure you get our text. Make sure you're in our club so some of these items go to you automatically so you don't miss out. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.